Hello, it's me, Gabby Booth, your instructor. Welcome to week 2, and I just want to make a short video with some questions that I received the first week, just to make sure that we all know where everything is located. Some of the questions I received was how to get to the e-textbook. So let me show you. I'm logged into Falcon Online. Everything you do must be done through Falcon Online. So I'm a student right now. To find the textbook, click on Content, and then you go down all the way to Pearson Resources. So click on Pearson Resources, and here is the link for the Pearson eText. If you click on it, you will be able to view, once you sign in again, sometimes you have to do that, to view the textbook. Here it is. So here's your textbook. Then you can see, if you click on menu up here, you have the table of contents. So you can go to, for example, section 1.2. and algebraic expression, number set. You can move your page by clicking on the right cursor. So that's one way how you get to your book. That was one question. Another question was, why did my grade not show up in the grades in Falcon Online? The reason is that you probably signed into Pearson directly and did not go through Falcon Online. In order to start your homework, you need to go through Falcon Online, and that will record your grade automatically. Now, if you don't do that, I sync grades every so often. So in order for your grade to update, I have to sync it manually. So that's not a problem. I try to do that once a day just for students that are not going through Falcon Online. But again, I'm stressing, especially now that we're on the second week, make sure that you complete all your assignments by clicking and going in through Falcon Online. So let me show you how to do that. Again, so we are on Falcon Online. I'm a student. Click on Content. And for example, Module 2, all the modules. So let me go to Module 2. And Module 2, make sure you watch the intro video. There's also the link to the quiz that brings you into Pearson. But if you specifically want to work on the homework, you scroll down all the way where it says Section 2.1, 2.2 Homework in my Math Lab. You click on it. That will bring you directly into Pearson, and you just click on the homework you want to work in. You can see homework for section 2.1 all the way to 2.6 is open right now. So let me click on 2.1. I just want to show you a couple resources that you have available in Pearson. If you go to question 1, okay, there are 27, so you get this equation that you need to solve. Now, if you want to look and see an example, you click on Question Help. Question Help has several different kind of resources on, if let's say you can remember how to solve this equation, on viewing. Like, for example, an example on actually how to do it. Now you can see down here, there's another link to the textbook. So that's another way to get to the textbook. If you're totally stuck, please don't be frustrated, first of all. Second, send me an email. So if you click on Ask My Instructor, see, there's my name, and you just tell me, I'm stuck, I divided by 8, and I just don't get the correct answers because you have to divide by -8, and then send it. I will get the email. So, and I will email you back, and I explain to you how to work your problem. So Ask My Instructor is a great way to get in touch with me and get help from me. But another way is to view an example. So if you click on view an example, look at this. It gives you a very similar problem. Very, very similar. So it kind of explains how to solve this equation. You click on continue and you see these steps. You have to divide by -7. Now this example, you're gonna now compare with the example you have here given for your homework. So here you had to divide by -7. For my homework problem, I have to divide by -8. And you can click on continue. It shows you also how to how to check. Yeah, so each step by step is listed right here. So View an Example is a great resource for you to find help for your problem. Now, if you click on Help me solve this problem, that will actually solve the problem for you. So it would go step by step, and then you have some steps where you have to answer some scroll down menu here. The mold of A and B, and then A equals B. So we're going to click this on here, and we're going to check the answer. Nice work. And then, so divide both sides. So then you go through the next step. So we're going to divide both sides by the equation by -8. And we check the answer. We did good again. And then -56 divided by -8 is a +7. We check the answer again. So now fantastic. Now this problem has been solved for you. So this is the actual problem that you were given originally. And see what happens here? You have a red X now. Because the computer kind of helped you to solve it, you do not get credit for it. Click on OK. Let me get out of here. What you need to do is, what happened automatically, it gave you a different problem. So now you have to solve this problem, and you type in the answer is 5. Let's see what happens. Check answer. And now you see what happened. Let me go back. You see that out of this red X turned into a green check mark. So when you use the resource Help Me Solve This, you will automatically get a different problem, and then you solve that different problem and you will get a check mark for having the first problem completed. If you click on View an Example, it just gives you a different example, and then once you've viewed the example here, you go back to your original problem that was given to you, and then you can solve this one. Now let me go to another one real quick. I didn't want that to make this a long video. Here we're subtracting 7 from both sides, but let me just show you something else. On purpose now, I'm getting this wrong. I'm going to put 0 in here, check answer. Okay, it gives you no, this was incorrect. So put 1 in here, check answer. Oh, it's still wrong. Okay, then I'm going to make this 11. Check, final check here now. So I had it wrong 3 times, 3 times incomplete. Now again, I would get a red X that I did not get this problem correctly. But what you want to do is you want to click on similar question. Now you solve the problem and you subtract 14. What is that? -31. And again, if you get it correct, excellent, it will change into a green check mark. So what I'm trying to say is there's no reason why you should not get 100% on your homework. If you get it wrong 3 times, click on similar exercise and you have 3 more attempts. And if you get those 3 attempts incorrect, click on similar exercise and you have 3 more attempts. And if you still get it wrong, please send me an email and I will help you with the problem. Okay, so that is just one quick summary on what you're doing with the homework. So let me go back to Falcon Online. Your grades will be posted here. You have to go and click on the grade link. Again, you must go through Falcon Online to do all your work that is done in Pearson. And I think these are all the questions I got for now. If you have any more questions, general question about the course, please don't hesitate to email me. You can also ask Amanda. Amanda is our embedded learning specialist. Let me just show you under discussions. She created some information about the Academic Support Center and when they are open and how to get tutoring and so forth. Okay, that's it for now. Talk to you soon. Bye.